Yeah, what's up guys, what's popping? Today I'm going to be showing you something. It's been long, I've not posted video on how to catch spike, so I'm going to do that today, and I'm going to be catching spike live. Some people will say, why not just trade, use the live trading account to do your video so that we will see that it works on live trading and all that. Some of you will always think this strategy, most of them don't work, or that sometimes you need to test things out, not just once, not just twice. You have to do it 3-4 times for you to know how perfect a strategy is. Not just when you place a trade once and you lose with the strategy, you just say, it's not working. No, you have to you people don't have trading record. You have to record your trading on a daily basis to see how profitable a particular strategy is. So this strategy is going to be massive. You can see the spike. We missed it. I wanted to catch this spike, but unfortunately we missed the spike, guys. So this strategy is massive, guys. It's going to be making you a lot of money. I wanted to enter the trade, but you guys have introduction have made me lose, as in miss that spike, guys. Introduction have made me lose that spike. So we're supposed to have caught this now. So but still yet, the strategy is very simple and it works well. This is the spike I want to catch, but introduction I feel sad now because I know how I wanted to increase my lot size on this. I want to use this video to grow one of my small accounts, a kind of account I'm just trying to grow to some amount. Okay, so what you need to do is just to see a situation whereby first of all, the question is, you might ask, you always ask this question. That's why I want to answer the question before I dive into explaining how this strategy works. Now, you have to use the second zoom level or the first zoom level. You can see this is when you zoom out completely. Okay, then first zoom level. That's what I'm using for this video. But you can still increase this thing to second zoom level. Okay, so you can see the spike. All you need to do is to wait for our blue and dark red. Is it that dark red or what is this color? Okay, any color at all. You know what I'm talking about. You just need to see these two lines at our over bot region. Okay, between level 80 and 90. Okay, once you see them on crash, you enter your sell. Okay, remember you can still use the same strategy on boom, both boom 500, boom 1000. You can still use it there. So now all you need to do is to see when they are at over bot region for a crash. If you are using boom, you need to see them at oversold region on boom. Okay, now once you see that, you place your sell. So all you need to do is to see the two lines at over bot region. Okay, so if you should go back to backtest this thing to see how it works, you can see somewhere here. Okay, you can see here when these two lines entered over, the blue one will first of all enter, then you wait for the red. Please let me just change this. I always do this mistake most time. Let me just change it to red. What we know, this is red now. So once you see the blue line, you have to wait for the red line to enter over that is level 80 and 90. Once you see them, then you place your sell and you pick, catch the spike. Okay, so you need to please, I'm advising you, if you don't have a trading book where you record your trade, if you take your trading serious, your trading will take you serious. So if you keep placing a sell or a buy randomly, you're not going to be profitable. Some people will always complain or come to me and say, okay, I've been trading, I will grow my account to a certain amount and I will blow it back. Why won't you blow it back when you are not taking record of your trade? If you do not take record of whatever you are doing, you will not be able to know where you are going to be you're kind of working on what you need to do, where you need to adjust. When you trade and you record your trade, it will help you understand the mistakes you have been making, how to adjust, how to enter another trade, the kind of strategy you'll be using. Okay, so I'm pleading, guys, if you want to be profitable here consistently, you need to do what? Have a trading journal, or sorry, a trading book. Okay, a trading book where you write down your daily trading. On a weekly basis, you review this thing, review them, and see if you kind of, have you improved, or you are not yet to some point where you are targeting. You have to make some amendment, you have to change some certain things, you have to go for pay for a class, you have to change your strategy or other stuffs. Those things will help you. By the time you see one strategy and you traded with the strategy maybe 3 times or 4 times or 5 times, and you discover that after trading with this strategy 4 times or 5 times, this strategy have not made you money, then that strategy is not working. So you need to understand how these things work. Make sure that you take record of your trading. This is a kind of advice, though I am not a financial advisor, but this is just my own experience, what I've been doing on a daily basis. All right, this thing will help you. Try your best to jot down your trade on a daily basis, guys. Okay, then let me show you the settings for this. There's no need of backtesting. You can do that backtest on your own. I don't want to make this video long, so you can do the backtest on your own. If you go to our indicators, the first indicator we are adding is the RSI. Pay attention. The period is period 8. Okay, apply to close. Then the style is 3 pixels. Okay, that's the style. Then level, you have level 90, level 10, level 80, and 20. Okay, you can see, choose any color of your choice there, then click on done. Then the second indicator we are using is moving average. Our period is 25, and the method is simple. Apply to close, style 4 pixels, and you see the color already. So that's all you need for this strategy, guys. So once you see the 2 lines converge, you can see that the blue is coming back to level 80. Once we see it back there again, we place our sell. Okay, another thing is, how do we take profit, or how do we set our stop loss? Now it all depends on your targets, on your target per trade. So you should also have a target per trade, how much you are targeting per trade. Depending, if you are catching spikes using 1 minute time frame, you should know that you shouldn't be, you shouldn't set your target so high. You can't be catching this kind of spike and you are using the lowest loss size like 0.20, and you are targeting $50 per trade. It's not possible now. So if you are using 1 minute time frame and you are using the lowest loss size, your target should be at $5, $10 or so. Okay, this thing, setting your target very close, will help you achieve your goal. I don't say you should not dream big. You can dream big of but if you want to dream big, fund the account with big amount of money. So you increase your lot size and dream big. Not when you have $20 account, you want to dream big, like you want to make $100 with $20 account per trade. It's not possible now. You have to learn how to grow consistently. Like you grow your account. If it is $5 every day, if you are making, let me say you are using this strategy alone and you are targeting per trade $5. If you trade 5 times a day and you take profits 4 times, 5 times 4, you know how much that should be. 20,000, right? Sorry, $20. That should be $20. So if you're making $20 a day, you are in profit, man. Before a month, you have a kind of your balance, you have enough equity to increase your lot size. Okay, so your take profit level should be, you should know, it depends on your account anyways. Your stop loss, you might set it at maybe 5 candlestick, or if you want to give your price room to breathe, you place it at 10 candlesticks. The important thing is that when the spike comes, you recover all. That's the important thing. Okay, you should also look at your equity and know where to set your stop loss. I'm just suggesting, depending on your equity, okay, how to calculate these things. You just take maybe risk 5 candlestick or 10 candlesticks. Then if you are risking 10 candlesticks, that means you are giving your price room to breathe. Okay, but the most important thing is that once the spike comes, you should recover. Okay, so this is how to catch spike 2022 strategy. Okay, I think this might be your first video in 2022. Okay, because I'm creating this video. Today is 30th, right? And I'm dropping this video today or tomorrow. So you should be enjoying this 2022. Thank you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Remember to subscribe if you are new here. Smash that like button if you love the content I create here on YouTube. Drop your question if you have any question on this strategy or anything at all. Then join my Telegram group. Also follow me on Instagram. I know I've not kind of introduced my Instagram platform on this YouTube. I want you guys to help me grow my Instagram account. I just started I opened a new account. So if you love what I'm doing, you can follow me on Instagram, and I appreciate you for that. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.